I'm going to start a new series called It's Not That Complicated. Okay, the amount of times that people come out at the farmer's market talking about how complicated it is to make a sourdough. Grab a bowl, okay? Add some flour. What type of flour? I don't know. Are you making bread? Use bread flour, okay? This is about, I don't know, 800 grams. Doesn't matter. Just add enough. If you want to make one loaf of bread, if you want to make a big loaf of bread, add more flour. If you want a small loaf of bread, add less flour. Water. Sourdough bread is made of flour, water, and salt. And of course starter, but starter is made of flour and water, so you know, okay? This is about, I don't know, 500 grams. It doesn't matter, just add till it feels wet. Then add salt. How much salt to add? I don't know, do you like salt? Add a lot of salt. You don't like salt? Don't add too much salt. Maybe this much, maybe a little bit more. Again, it's not that complicated. Starter. Okay, just whatever starter you have, it's fine. If you don't have a starter, just reach out. You can take some of our starters. We give it away. We make like 50 kilograms of them every single day. You can take our starter. How much starter to use? Depends. Do you like it sour? Add a lot of starter. Do you don't like it sour? Don't add too much starter. But basically, just add starter. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix. How do we mix it? Who cares? Just make it into a ball. That's all that matters. Ooh, how much gluten does it have? Who cares? It's bread flour. Okay? It doesn't matter. You're making 1 or 2 loaves of bread. None of it matters. What's the technique? Oh, I don't know. Just mashing the shit out of it. That's the technique. Okay? Mix it, mix it, mix it. Doesn't matter how you do it. Just let out all your frustration. All the frustrations you have in your life. Out of this, okay? If you have a fight with your in-laws, you had a fight with your boyfriend or your husband, it doesn't matter. Take it out on this, okay? This is called slash fold method. Do you need to know this? Absolutely not. Will you get a beautiful bread regardless? Absolutely. People have been making bread for centuries, okay? They made bread in a freaking cave. So I don't think we need to figure out what Autoly's thing is, how much the flour percentage is, how much the water percentage is. I need to come down. You know what? No, never mind. This is gonna be it. Is the angle okay? I don't care. Okay. There you go. It's a beautiful loaf of bread. And it'll be perfect. Now, it's all mixed. You don't have to worry about stretch and folds or anything like that because you did all the work that you would have done with stretch and folds for over 3 or 4 hour period, okay? This is fine. This is good to go. What do? Take a bowl, put it in the bowl, spray it so it doesn't stick to the bowl. Look how pretty this is. Look how pretty this looks, okay? Cover it with something. I'm gonna cover it with another bowl. Done. Leave it.